When it comes to beauty, there's a lot of advice floating around. But if you really want to make a difference in caring for your skin and maintaining that youthful glow, nothing compares to advice from top dermatologists, those professionals who study skin health on a daily basis. So, let's explore the 27 best beauty tips from dermatologists specifically targeted at anti-aging. These expert tips will help you nurture your skin, prevent premature aging, and embrace your most radiant self. 1. Start early with daily sun protection. One of the most critical pieces of advice that almost every dermatologist will agree on is the importance of daily sun protection. It's not just about slathering on sunscreen at the beach. Ultraviolet UV rays can age your skin every single day, even when it's cloudy. Using a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher each morning forms an invisible shield that helps prevent wrinkles, sunspots, and skin cancer. Apply it to your face, neck, ears, hands, and any exposed skin every morning, and reapply every 2 hours if outside. 2. Don't underestimate the power of retinoids. Many experts regard retinoids, vitamin A derivatives like retinol or tretinoin, as the gold standard in anti-aging skincare. Regular use of these ingredients promotes collagen production, improves cell turnover, and helps to fade pigmentation. Start with a gentle, over-the-counter retinol, and if your skin tolerates it, try to advance to prescription-strength retinoids under the guidance of a dermatologist. Patience is key, as it can take months to see significant results, but the improvement in texture and fine lines is undeniable. 3. Hydration is key. Keeping your skin hydrated is essential for a plump and youthful appearance. Dermatologists recommend using a good moisturizer twice daily. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides, which help draw and lock in moisture. Adjust your moisturizer with the seasons. Thicker creams might be better in winter, while lighter lotions are ideal for summer. 4. Wash gently and wisely. Over-cleansing or using harsh products can strip the skin of its natural oils, accelerating signs of aging. Use a gentle cleanser suited to your skin type. Avoid scrubbing, hot water, and frequent washing. It's enough to wash your face twice daily, once in the morning and once before bed. 5. Antioxidants aren't just a buzzword. Daily exposure to pollution and environmental toxins can accelerate oxidative stress and skin aging. That's where antioxidants come in, both in your diet and your skincare. Serums containing vitamin C, vitamin E, niacinamide, or ferulic acid neutralize free radicals and boost your skin's defense systems. Consuming antioxidant-rich foods like berries, nuts, and leafy greens support these effects from the inside out. 6. Moisturize from within. Drink plenty of water. While topical hydration is critical, internal hydration should not be neglected. Dermatologists often recommend drinking at least 8 cups of water per day for optimal skin health. Well-hydrated skin cells retain their shape and bounce, helping to minimize the appearance of fine lines. 7. Don't ignore your neck and hands. Many people focus skincare efforts on their faces and forget about the neck and hands. The skin in these areas is thin and often reveals aging more quickly. Extend your skincare routine, cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection, to these regions. 8. Get serious about sleep. Quality sleep is a powerful anti-aging tool. Dermatologists refer to it as beauty sleep for a reason. This is when your skin repairs and regenerates. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep in a consistent schedule, and consider using a silk pillowcase to minimize friction and potential fine lines. 9. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Smoking restricts blood flow, depletes the skin of oxygen and nutrients, and destroys collagen and elastin, the fibers essential for youthful skin. Excessive alcohol dehydrates the skin and can exacerbate redness and inflammation. For radiant skin, it's best to avoid smoking and drink alcohol in moderation. 10. Don't chase every trend. The skincare industry is full of trends, but not all are dermatologist-endorsed. Avoid harsh scrubs, at-home microneedling, or over-exfoliating with acids. Instead, rely on gentle, evidence-based ingredients and introduce new products gradually so your skin can adapt. 11. Consult a dermatologist for early prevention. Annual skin checks with a board-certified dermatologist are vital, not only for skin cancer detection, but also for designing a customized anti-aging routine. Professionals can help you select effective products and treatments suited to your specific skin type and concerns. 12. Consistent routine is better than occasional splurges. Don't underestimate the power of consistency. Following a simple, well-structured routine daily is more effective than sporadic, intensive treatments or facials. Small, regular habits compound over time for lasting results. 13. The magic of peptides. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that are the building blocks of proteins like collagen. Topical application of peptide-rich creams or serums has been found to improve firmness and diminish the look of fine lines. 14. Gentle exfoliation, not aggression. Dead skin cell buildup can make the complexion look dull and highlight imperfections. Gentle chemical exfoliants like alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs, encourage fresh, radiant skin without causing trauma or micro-tears. 15. Monitor your diet. There's a strong skin-gut connection. Diets high in sugar and dairy can exacerbate acne and inflammation, while a balanced intake of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and lean proteins supports skin health and repair. 16. Maintain a healthy body weight. Rapid weight fluctuations can cause sagging skin and accentuate wrinkles, especially around the jawline. Healthy, stable body weight helps maintain elasticity and youthful contours. 17. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress triggers hormonal changes that can accelerate skin aging and exacerbate conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Regular exercise, meditation, and downtime can do wonders for your skin as well as your mind. 18. Layer your products wisely. For best results, dermatologists advise applying products from thinnest to thickest, serums first, followed by moisturizer, and then sunscreen as the final morning step. This helps ingredients penetrate where they're most effective. 19. Don't skip eye cream. The delicate skin around your eyes is more prone to dryness and early aging. Using a dedicated eye cream with ingredients like peptides, hyaluronic acid, or caffeine can minimize puffiness, dark circles, and crow's feet. 20. Use a humidifier for extra hydration. Especially in dry or winter climates, running a humidifier in your bedroom can boost moisture in the air and help keep your skin supple while you sleep. 21. Embrace facial massage. Gentle facial massage boosts blood circulation and lymphatic drainage, aiding detoxification and delivering nutrients to skin cells. Even a couple of minutes with clean hands or a roller can help tone and depuff the skin. 22. Update your skincare as you age. Your skin's needs change over time. What worked in your 20s might not be sufficient in your 40s or 50s. See your dermatologist to review your skincare products periodically and tweak them as your skin evolves. 23. Protect your skin barrier. Harsh treatments and overuse of actives can impair your skin's protective barrier, leading to irritation and accelerated aging. Listen to your skin. If it's red or sensitive, pare back to a gentle cleanser and emollient until balance returns. 24. Try professional treatments judiciously. Procedures like chemical peels, lasers, and microneedling, when performed by professionals, can accelerate anti-aging results. Always consult a board-certified dermatologist and avoid DIY approaches at home. 25. Stay active for skin circulation. Cardiovascular exercise enhances healthy circulation, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to the skin, giving you a natural glow. Sweating can also help purge toxins from your pores. 26. Be mindful of makeup choices. Heavy foundations and powders can settle into fine lines and highlight aging. Opt for lightweight, hydrating formulas with SPF and skin-benefiting ingredients. 27. Embrace graceful aging. Finally, remember that aging is a privilege and should be embraced with grace. Confidence, self-care, and kindness create a beauty that transcends lines or wrinkles. True radiance comes from caring for yourself inside and out. By following these dermatologist-recommended tips, you'll be equipped to maintain glowing, healthy, youthful skin for years to come. Anti-aging is not about stopping time, but about supporting your skin so you feel comfortable and confident at every stage.